Hello, this is Ronnie from Old Timey Gospel Acoustic Lessons. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play 5 songs with just 3 chords. G and C and D. If you don't know those chords, I'll just show you briefly. This is 3 and 1 and 2, and this is the 2 bottoms in the 3rd fret and the top 2 up here, and then C just goes like that. 2, 4 and 5. Just those 3 chords, friends. And I will be singing I'll Fly Away, The Old Rugged Cross, What a Friend We Have in Jesus, Just As I Am, and Just a Little Talk with Jesus. I will start with Just As I Am. And I will go ahead and start with it right now. Now I will try to explain a little bit after I get done. Just as I am, without one plea, but that thy blood was shed for me, and that thou bidst me come to thee, O Lamb of God. I come, just as I am, thou wilt receive, will welcome, pardon, bliss, relief, because thy promise I relieve, O Lamb of God. I come, altar call song. Just as I am. Playing it in the key of G. So just as I am without. See, you go to D. It goes from G to D, back to G, and then it goes to D again, and then it goes to C and back to G. Just as I am without one plea, but that thy blood was shed for me, O Lamb of God. Let's see. Lamb of God, I come. Alright, the next song is Just a Little Talk with Jesus. I once was lost in sin, and Jesus took me in. Little light from heaven filled my soul. He paid my heart in love, and he wrote my name with love. And just a little talk with Jesus made me whole. Now let us have a little talk with Jesus. Let us tell him all about our troubles. He will hear a faintly cry, and he will answer by and by. Now when you feel a little prayer will turn, you will know a little fire is burning. You will find a little talk with Jesus makes it right. That was a little faster strumming pattern, but it's just a bass note strum. It hit the G is your bass note here, the top one, that's your bass note. Just back and forth, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Pretty easy. It goes, I once was lost in sin, and goes to C, and Jesus took me in. Back to G. Then a little light from heaven filled my soul. And my empty chord. He bade my Okay, just as I am. Let's see, what did I promise to sing? I don't even remember. So, just as I am, and just a little talk with Jesus. And let's do I'll Fly Away, and What a Friend We Have in Jesus, and the Old Rugged Cross. Okay? Let's do I'll Fly Away. A little fast paced here too on I'll Fly Away. Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. So it's just pretty simple. Some glad morning, just kind of like just a little talk with Jesus picking. It's some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. That little run is on the A string, then the open D string. Little G run, A string. Let's see, yeah, A string, hammer on, and then D, and then the G string open. The two hammer on. Let's see, hammer on to the A, D, and then open G. Okay, next one is What a Friend We Have in Jesus. What a friend we have in Jesus, all our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. So anyway, that is in the key of G also. What a friend. A lot of ups and downs there. What a friend we have in Jesus. C chord. All back to G. All our sins and griefs to bear. A little run there on the A string. And open D string. Strum. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, what needless pain to bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Okay, the old rugged cross on a hill. This is slow, far away. Stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering, pain, and shame. And I love that old cross, where the dearest and best whole world of lost sinners were slain. simple there. Self-explanatory. On a hill far away, stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. Just G, C, and D on all those 5 songs. This is Ronnie at Old Timey Gospel Acoustic Lessons. If you're new here to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to consider subscribing to me. I sure appreciate that. It helps these videos come right along, and hit that notification button down there and get notified when a video first comes out. You'll be the first one to see it. But anyway, thanks a lot, and God bless.